Hi San, what are you doing in the library?
Hi, I came to refer few articles for my exam. I still can't believe MDS is drawing to an end.
Yeah, you must be feeling nostalgic, right? For almost 9 years in the prestigious institution as a former UG student and now a postgraduate here too.
Yeah, 9 years. Everything has just passed away in a blur.
And how do you feel, Savita, for the past 9 years?
Lots of memories to carry with. Everything I am today is because of Saveetha. Whatever I have learnt about dentistry, it is Saveetha which has molded me to the person I am today. I am very glad that I have been a part of this institution for almost 9 years now.
Yeah, I was quite envious during my UG days where I couldn't see much of a clinical exposure or the research for that matter. Savita was a totally new world for me during my PG days.
You know something, the very first research which I did during my UG was from the Department of Oral Pathology. This created an interest in me to start various research activities, and the Star Summit projects which we do every year helped me develop my research skill and outcast my research interest to others as well. And coming to academics, the detailed way of teaching as well as the group-based activities made me learn more and extend my knowledge. And to talk about the clinical experience we get here and the number of patients we get to see, this can be nowhere in par with any dental college in India. This created an interest in me to continue my masters in oral pathology. What inspired you to join here?
Yeah. Our institution Savita has been a dream for me to be joining during my UG days. I've attended several workshops, conferences during my UG period, and I even attended Star Summit where I've been amazed to see the students with the immense amount of clinical knowledge, the research exposure and the vast variety of cases and the quantity of cases. And my personal interest in the field of oral pathology and seeing the best experts in the field of oral pathology teaching here and the laboratory procedures and the vast variety of cases and the research exposure made me pleased to join here, and I'm very much excited, and it exceeded my expectations, and it was a beautiful journey for me to do my MDS here. And what do you think about it?
Yeah, I was very excited to join my alma mater for doing my masters. Not to exaggerate, every day of my postgraduate life was more about being balanced with equal exposure to academics, clinical, research as well as the other curricular activities. Our head Pratibha ma'am, along with a brilliant team of teachers, encouraged us every single day and motivated us to do better. And the n number of histopathological cases that come to our department for diagnosis molded us better with deep, in-depth learning about pathology. And not to forget about the research work, lot of opportunities, right?
Yeah, I had no experience or exposure towards research prior to joining Saveetha Dental College. Here, our department has encouraged me to do a lot of numerous collaborative projects, both national and international, had encouraged me to do patents, and our institution having the Star Summit theme, which has driven me to do numerous projects every year annually, and I have even written numerous articles and published it in index and high impact journals. Even my thesis has been co-guided by an international collaborator in the field of research. Our HOD has encouraged us to pursue our integrated PhD in our institution, and we are hoping to complete it soon.
Yeah, I would say doing an integrated MDS PhD was kind of God-given opportunity to me to do it along with my masters. Also to do and take part in a lot of paper and poster presentation were kind of boosting my self-confidence to do better.
And not to forget our student exchange program in United Kingdom, you remember, right? In University of Dundee on forensic odontology, cancer research, and in specifically in University of Leeds on cancer research program on microbiology and oral biology. We also have our externship posting in Saveetha Medical College specific for clinical hematology, microbiology and cytopathology.
Looking back at all these years of being a student at Saveetha, this was definitely a wonderful journey with great exposure to learning, research and clinical expertise, and lots of fun and beautiful memories to carry with. Our heartfelt thanks to our director sir, professor and heads of our department as well as the non-teaching faculty of our department. We'll definitely miss all our faculty and friends.